Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video right here on Cardano. We're going to do a full update. It was needed. I mean, yesterday we had a major day, of course, with the FOMC meeting and the interest rate decision. The Fed interest rate has been cut by 25 base points, but potentially more importantly, before we talk about Cardano here specifically, we expect 2 more rate cuts in 2025. And I think that's quite bullish. I am becoming quite optimistic because of that. It's not certain, of course, it's dependent on economic data, but that has, I think, increased the likelihood of some more bullish continuation. And that's also what we've seen over the course of this morning. It's not all been bullish, but we have seen mostly bullish momentum in the markets this morning. So that's good. But in this video, we'll talk about Cardano. Cardano is moving very well as well. I think the last time we covered it, we were at this major resistance level right here, or around 94 cents. What I told you then is that I did expect us to break above that level, but I expected a pullback first. Keeping in mind the FOMC meeting, right? Because if you did not know before, then now you know it for the next time. Usually what you see in the 4 days going into an interest rate decision is de-risking, right? So that the price actually falls down, usually. And we were at strong resistance, right? So I told you we're at resistance. We have these fundamentals. I think it's most likely we're going to pull back now and break out later. And I still do think that that's most likely because everything that has happened so far, I mean, nothing has made me change my mind. If you take a look at the price action here for Cardano, we found resistance where it was normal to find resistance. And then we found support right here at the 12-hour uptrend. And at the top of the daily uptrend right here, like graced the fair value gap that we left Monday the 8th of September. So everything so far, I mean, the technicals are strong. The fundamentals for Cardano specifically, which I like to look at in every single video. I mean, sometimes it's nice, sometimes it isn't. Fundamentals for Cardano specifically for the network are not necessarily that good. Honestly, there's not really growth. The stablecoin market cap is flat and the TVL is flat. So that's definitely not something that's going to cause Cardano to break out. However, we got this news, right? The SEC approves generic listing standards for ETFs, paving way for digital asset listings without explicit approval. What is one of the coins that actually has ETF applications and that can potentially have some demand when it launches as an ETF? Cardano. Right, so we already have a bullish structure here. On the daily time frame, you can see we're already forming some sort of an uptrend here. We're holding the relevant rolling VWAPs. So I think short term, it can still get quite volatile, right? Especially in this level right here between 96 and 86 cents. I mean, in the end, those are 2 strong levels. So it's possible that we bounce between those a little bit more. But ultimately, I do think the breakout is coming up. And it's either going to be very, very soon and a move into $1.05. First price target, conservative, but first price target, first resistance. It's either going to be very soon, so let's say in the next couple of days, or it will take a little bit longer. But ultimately, in the next month, I do expect this breakout, and something very surprising would need to happen. I think mainly with the worldwide fundamentals for this not to happen. So if that happens, I'll tell you, right? So keep an eye on the channel for that. If I all of a sudden make an emergency update on something might be wrong. But for now, seems good. All right, seems good to remain stable here and slowly grind up towards that level at 95, 96 cents, which at some point I think will break out. Will break, I guess I should say. But those are my thoughts for now. That's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care and bye.